Well, to begin with Priyanka Chopra, how good or bad do you think she was in fashion this year?
I hope you're not talking about the movie fashion, so you're talking about style, right? And her fashion statement. So she's usually known for her style and she's very nicely dressed. To be honest, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है प्रियंका चोपड़ा को देखने का. वो अपने बाल कैसे बांधती हैं, वो अपने कपड़े कैसे पहनती हैं. But this year she's been a little kind of कहीं पे वो थोड़ी सी पीछे रह गई बिकॉज आई वुड लाइक टू ब्लेम द स्टाइलिस्ट हियर बिकॉज उन्होंने जेलो को कॉपी किया, उन्होंने ब्रिटनी स्पीयर्स को कॉपी किया और उन्होंने बियॉन्से को तक कॉपी किया. सो आई थिंक दैट शी डिड स्लिप.
Well, yeah, I remember आपने page 3 पर कहा था that she needs to fire her stylist for the same reason.
Well, I think Megha that प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने अभी तक अपनी वो स्टाइलिस्ट को फायर नहीं किया है because there again she's copied J-Lo. Now I'm seriously thinking because the last time when she did this, she copied 3 Hollywood stars and we said okay, blame the stylist. But if she's done it again, now I don't know if Priyanka Chopra has a Hollywood hang-up or she's seriously not watching page 3. I think प्रियंका को यहाँ पर 7 खून माफ है because she looked so hot in Ram Leela.
Well, Deepika का style quotient up रहा या down?
Definitely up. I really like the way Deepika dresses up, very graceful, and of course she has a great body. I love the way she carries that one single piece of jewelry on her. But हमने इसी शो पर कहा था that she tends to overlap her dresses with a lot of people. तो आप जब भी दीपिका को किसी outfit में देखती हैं, जब same headline आती है कहीं पर, it's usually Deepika and some other girl from Bollywood. So she has to take care of that factor.
क्या आपको लगता है उस एपिसोड से उन्होंने कुछ सीख लिया है?
Hopefully, since then we've not seen her repeating outfits.
And how about Katrina's fashion sense? क्या उन्होंने आपको impress किया या depress?
Impress होना तो मुश्किल है यहाँ पर और depress होना impossible है. And हमने इस शो पर कहा है कटरीना के बारे that she's very drab and boring. She does not experiment with her hair. She does not experiment with her clothes. वो हमेशा एक तरह के कपड़े पहनती हैं. And we did say it on page 3 कि ever since she started dating Ranbir Kapoor, her style sense has changed. She's trying to dress younger as opposed to when she was with Salman Khan. And yes, but she did take a bit of a hit there जब उन्होंने धूम 3 पर अपने शूज़ चेंज कर लिए एक ही सॉन्ग सीक्वेंस में एक ही आउटफिट के साथ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स वो भी पीछे नहीं रही, उन्होंने भी आउटफिट कॉपी किया एंड इट वाज Beyonce that she was supposedly inspired by.
But do you think that's a good thing or a bad thing that she's copying Beyonce?
अब 2013 खत्म हो रहा है, so I would just like to say कि अगर ये पूरी की पूरी मूवी कॉपी कर लेते हैं हॉलीवुड से, तो अगर कटरीना ने एक आध आउटफिट ही कॉपी कर लिया है, we should say inspire, right? So no harm.
Yeah,
माफ कर दिया जाता है.